teenagers. They have their studies, they have their social media, they have to chat with their friends. There are so many things they have to do. They have to also prepare for their exams, and overall, most important, the body is changing at this point of time. There's this big rush of hormonal changes that's happening inside the body, which is changing the musculoskeletal system, neuromuscular system, everything. And that impacts and affects somewhere in their posture. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some of these strategies, especially for the teenagers, that they can do in order to maintain a good posture throughout the day. What are these strategies and exercises? Let's have a look.